We're doing a 360 drive around. See how it looks in the car. See how it looks with the sun coming different angles. See if it blows out. Just driving through the neighborhood. People riding bicycles. Yeah, we got some bright sun. See how the camera holds up in the bright sun. I'm just hand holding this in the car on the selfie stick. Driving down the 30-mile-an-hour speed limit road here. Going to another entrance. We're going to drive down to my clubhouse, where they got a big ass Olympic-sized pool that just opened today, freshly resurfaced. There was a lot of people down there earlier. I don't know if COVID swims, but there was a lot of people swimming. Go down there and walk to the dock. If I can ever turn here. There we go. Alright, let's stick this thing out the window. I'm going to stop it real quick.